Hello everyone, Beauty Over 40 August collab. Our collab today is pick a product that you can use multiple times in the same look. So I am picking this eyeshadow palette, which you will see me show many times because I'm gonna use it for many different uses. It is the ZULU palette by JUVIA'S. All the ladies' links that are taking part in the Beauty Over 40 collab, their links will be in my description box. Please go visit them, and I want to say thank you in advance for visiting their channel and see what product they choose to use multiple times. This is a detailed makeup get ready with me look, so it includes everything I do today to create this look. So keep watching. I truly appreciate you watching all the way to the end. In the NYX white pencil for my eye base, I am making sure that I thin it out and blend it really nice so there are no creases when I'm ready to put on my eyeshadow. And I love using the white base because it makes my color show more with a nice pop. As you can see here, I was almost done with the second eye when I realized I was not filming. That is so crazy because I thought I pressed record. That happens more often than you think. But again, I just went over it and finished up the other eye so you can see the process. Orange, a burnt orange, so I'm gonna put that all over my eyes, lid, crease, the whole eyes. And then I'm taking a little bit of purple and I'm putting it in the outer corner just a little to give the orange something to go with. So I'm marrying those two colors a little right there. The ZULU palette I'm using today is by JUVIA'S. I'm using the shade of eyeshadow that I used on my eyes. I'm using it also as the blush. I'm using that same purple eyeshadow in the lower lash line, so that color brings the orange out really pretty. I am using the Estee Lauder mascara. I like that mascara. It goes on really nice, no clumps. Now I'm using a clear lip balm before applying the lip color. And now I am using that same shade as my lipstick. I'm using a purple lip pencil to line my lips. I am tying in the purple with the orange to give it a facelift. I'm using NYX glitter glue to put some rhinestones on to create more style for the look. Have fun with your makeup. Create often. Now I'm revealing the look and showing a swatch of the shade. And what a fabulous finish. Everything fell in place and is looking beautiful. I use the eyeshadow as an eyeshadow, as a blush, and lipstick. So I did multi-use with one shade. It was fun creating. I hope you took your palettes out and had some fun also. The ladies have created their own look. Please go check them out, see what they use. Have fun with your makeup, live life, and be creative. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, V, Simply Your Makeup, will see you soon. Bye.